Hey everyone, we are spending the day together. We got a try on haul, we got cooking, and we got some cleaning. So I hope you're ready for this full 2 days worth of footage I filmed for you. And let's go ahead and get straight into the plus size try on haul from Belle Lily. She is fierce. She is also ready to go to the lake. So I have 7 plus size outfits I'm going to share with y'all today. This video is sponsored by Belle Lily. I'm going to leave all the information down below if you like any of these outfits that you see. So excited to share these with y'all. Okay, I have been testing these out because I wanted to give you a really good, honest review. So this is the first romper I'm trying out. So it's got pockets. It's got this really cute waistband right here. It's super stretchy. It is a 3X in the plus size. So we do have standard sizes that go up to a 3X. And then everything that I selected in the title itself says plus size and then whatever the item is. All right, I can't, y'all. I cannot. This one, I am a baddie. I was gonna say bad A, but we keep it family friendly on this channel. But I don't know if it's the camo print, the fact that this is a romper, I'm plus size and I'm feeling confident right now. I don't know what it is, but I feel like I can take on the world in this outfit. Don't mess with me, but if you want to walk with me, you can. You know what I'm saying? I just feel good, and I love that this makes me feel good. It makes me feel confident. I feel attractive. I feel like, you know, don't mess with me. Like I said, I feel bad, but in a good way. On to the next one. Oh, okay. She is feeling flirty. She is feeling fine. Also, I could wear this as a nightgown. Hello? I love this one. I love, y'all, this is a maxi dress. Let me bring the camera down a little bit to show y'all how long this dress is. Okay, so it has a slit right there. A modest slit, I will say, but still like a little flirty, a little cute. This would be great with some heels or some sandals. Go out on a date, go to lunch with your girlfriends, whatever you gotta do. I love this one. I love this one. I feel like this one is definitely going to be one of those items that I wear at home, just relaxing, having my little coffee. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. Also, this would be great if you have any weddings to go to this summer. This would be great for that. You are going to look beautiful, but you are not going to show up the bride. You know what I mean? So, elegant meets casual. Oh my! Is she fabulous? Is she wild? Is she here? She is here. She's here. I'm here. You're here. And we're loving it. I love this dress so much. Y'all saw me wear this dress in a clean with me video, actually, with a pair of leggings. So that is an idea for you, ladies, if you want to wear this with a pair of leggings. It is knee length on me, and it is so comfortable. It's also silky. Aaron, my husband, thought that this was a nightgown. Like, you know what I mean, ladies, because of the animal print. And I was like, no, I'm wearing this out. I'm gonna look like a beautiful tie-dye rainbow unicorn, honey. I love this so much. So I'm getting dizzy. Y'all, I love playing dress up. I do not wear nice clothes that often, so when I do put them on, I love to just model them for you. So I hope this is entertaining and also informative. This feels really good. I love that the sleeves are a little loose, but the waist is a little fitted because I have curves and I want to show them off. You know what I mean? But also I love, like, this is what I love. I love to look modest, but I also love to look flirty with my husband. So he knows, like, oh, well, I just got off of work and look what she's wearing. I think she's ready to have a good time. Anyways, I love this. I did want to mention, y'all, I don't think I've shared this yet, but everything that I picked out was under $30, which is insane. Also, I'm going to leave you some discount codes right here. Use the link down below, and also there's going to be all the links to the items that I'm wearing. But y'all, the prices of Belle Lily is amazing. Everything feels good. It's breathable. I'm having trouble breathing right now because I'm dancing for y'all. But everything just feels so nice, and this has been a great experience. I feel confident, I feel beautiful, and I feel like with any clothing company, that is such a good and positive thing to give them feedback on. So I love this. I want to know, have you ever worn Belle Lily clothes before? Let me know down below. And are you excited to try them out? Because after this experience, I feel like I'm going to be shopping with them a lot more. They have a ton of clothes, a ton of shoes, accessories on their website. But y'all, I still have a few more items to share you, so I'm going to go through those real quick with you. They are all tops, and I cannot wait. I really like this one. I like how long the sleeves are, and it's kind of like a bat wing right there. I love the animal print. I love the wide blocking, and it's also super long. So if you're like me and you wear a lot of leggings, but you also want to cover that butt, this is going to be great. This one's just super comfortable, super comfortable. So let's go to the next one. Okay, the next one I actually wore out on a date with Aaron, out to eat, and when we did some shopping. I really like how fun this one is. It's also super flirty, but super modest. That is just how I like to wear clothes. If you like to show off your body, you go for it, honey. But I am more modest, but I definitely do like to have like a pop of skin showing. So it just, you know, I want to look good for Aaron. And I also want to look good for myself. So I really like this one. It's fun. It's floral. I love this blue color. It is one of my favorite colors. But look at what this does for me, y'all. I look so beautiful. And you will too, okay? Love this. Love this, especially on a plus size body. This is amazing. The cut right here makes the shoulders look so beautiful. So nice. Really like this one. Alright, y'all, and I saved this one for last. This is a beautiful, like, emerald green color. We're looking wealthy over here. I love the black lace detail on this right here. Also, all throughout right here. Again, it just makes the sleeves, your shoulders look very flattering. Also, it makes the neckline look very flattering. This one is a little bit lower cut, but I just have a little sports bra under there. It looks like a tank top. So if you need that extra coverage, you can definitely just wear a little sports bra or something underneath. If not, it's still fine. You know, I can bend over and you can't really see anything, which I prefer. So I really like this one. This one is definitely hugging my body, but that's okay because I still can like bend over, stretch, like I can still move around in it. So this is more of a fitted top than a loose top, but I really like it. I think this is one of those ones that if you go out to a nice restaurant and you still want to dress kind of casual but also very elegant, this would be great for that. So I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Belle Lily, for partnering with me on this video. It's been a lot of fun. But y'all, we have a ton of cleaning, and I'm sharing with you a pasta taco soup meal. So be sure to stick around. This is definitely like a spend the day cleaning, try on haul, and cook with me. Alright, let me know how y'all liked that try on haul and if you would want to see more videos like that. But now it is time to tidy up. We got some dishes to do. I especially need to clean out this pot that I'm about to use for the pasta. We're making a taco chili slash goulash style meal. Y'all, when I cook, I just throw everything in the pot and hope and pray that it works out. So I do have the answers for you. You may not like them, but there was definitely some mistakes involved with the cooking, and I will get into that shortly. Alright, so for dinner tonight, we are going to be having a goulash style taco pasta, if you will. If you could come up with a better name for this, please let me know in the description or the comments down below. But you are going to need 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 can of corn, and 1 can of tomato juice. I almost lost my brain for a second. And you are also going to need half a box of any type of pasta you would like. We had used the penne pasta in this, but I feel like it would have been so much better if we had used the elbow pasta, or the little like shell pastas would have been good because it was very pasta heavy. So I definitely use the smaller noodles if I were you. So while our pasta is boiling away, also a hack, I did put a wooden spoon over the pasta so the water didn't boil over. I really doubted that hack, but it actually does work. I'm going to get this laundry done, and then we will move back into the kitchen and ground up our turkey meat. Aaron didn't even know that I use turkey meat, y'all. So if you're wanting to add turkey instead of hamburger meat to meals because it is more cost effective, definitely try it out. Don't tell anybody, and I promise you, I don't think they will know unless they are like a connoisseur with their taste buds. Alright, so now I'm just finishing up grounding the turkey. The one thing I don't like about this is I got the turkey that was already seasoned with taco seasoning, so I couldn't tell when it was done because the color stays the same the entire time. But once all of the like fats and oils were cooked off of it and it was more of a tougher texture, I went ahead and decided that it was done. But I'm also using a taco seasoning pack and a chili seasoning pack. So here's where I went wrong. The meat was already seasoned with taco seasoning. I did not need to add another thing of taco seasoning to this chili taco pasta, whatever you want to call it. So if you get the turkey meat that is already seasoned, just go ahead, just use whatever kind of seasonings you would want to add to this. But I added the chili seasoning and a packet of taco seasoning, and we definitely did not need the taco seasoning. I've also had a ton of friends say that they put a powdered ranch packet in their meals similar to this, so that is an idea as well. But yeah, I'm not a great cook by any means, but I love just trying out different ideas and seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work. This one I would say was a 6 out of 10. It looks good, it tasted okay, but I definitely went a little too far with the seasoning, and it turned out very, very spicy. So if you like spicy, then do it how I did it. But if you don't like spicy, then do not add another pack of taco seasoning. You do not need it. So now I'm going to clean up after myself. Y'all, I had to go catch another spider, so I was having to put all my oatmeal packets back in that container. Those little jumping spiders are getting inside through our back door. So I think we need to like reseal our door so they do not get in. But of course we have some dishes to do. And I was watching Isabel Page, I think that's her name, in the background. If you're curious, love her videos. She's, I guess, more of like a nature type channel. Very ASMR type stuff. And she's just really fun to watch. It just takes you away from the busy world. I love watching her. So, we got some laundry to do now. I'm always doing laundry. I have it set to where I just do it once the washing machine is full. And depending on what we are doing, we go through a lot of clothes because I am gardening now. Aaron likes to go fishing after work, so he changes and then he changes again when he gets home. We do a lot of laundry over here. So, I feel like that's the same for everyone, no matter how big your family is. Like, the laundry seems to never end. And I'm bringing more laundry in to wash. Oh, the struggle. Anyways, it's not really a struggle, though. I've kind of started to enjoy doing the laundry, especially after I redid my laundry soap and the little beads that I put in there and used the dryer balls. But now we gotta fold all this stuff and put it away. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave you with some music and me folding my laundry to give you some extra motivation to start your day today. And I hope you have a wonderful day as well. Let me know what you thought of this video. And if you like videos like this where I'm kind of doing a whole bunch of things in one, not just cleaning. I enjoy doing the cleaning videos for y'all. That's what I mainly do on this channel. But I know, like, watching somebody clean over and over again can get kind of repetitive, and I do not want that to happen to me. So let me know what other types of things you would want to see incorporated into a cleaning video.
Shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. And I want you now. Yeah, shut your mouth and kiss me. In the parking lot, in the backseat, don't dare to stop now. Just close your eyes and kiss me, like you mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now. Yeah, shut your mouth and your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you, like I mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you. In the backseat, on the highway, in the taxi home. Just shut your mouth and kiss me, kiss me, kiss me.
Too damn late to reply, so I lost my place in the line to the house of shake, where I was hoping to find a babe. Yeah. Ooh, 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 225 lucky stars on a cheap desert price. For this guy, he's giving me what I like. When I slide on a beat while we high.
Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you back here tomorrow. Tomorrow's video is going to be super fun because it is a power hour clean with me, so nothing but cleaning. And it is with my friend Faith from Faith's Life. So I'll leave some videos here if you need some more motivation, and I'll see you then.